Hi everyone, welcome back to Byte by Adam. In this video we will learn something super important in Python, variables and data type. Don't worry, it's going to be very simple. Let's start. A variable is like a box. You can store something inside it, like a number or a word, and use it later. In Python, it's super easy. Look, name, Byte by Adam. Now the variable name stores the word Byte by Adam. To create a variable in Python, choose a name. This is the name of variable. That's no space. Use the equal sign. This is the equal sign. And add the value. The value here is Byte by Adam. When we write a text in Python, we must use the quotation marks, either double quotes or single quotes. Example, Python language Python, for example, Python. We must add the quotation marks, double or single. To show something on the screen, we use the print function. Example, print hello world. Print hello world. This is the print function, hello world. Let's run the code. Nice. Now let's talk about data types. There are 4 basic data types we will use a lot. Strings, text, for example, name, and integer, whole number, example, subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe, please. 12 is very small. Please subscribe. Height equal 1.65. This is a float, decimal number. And Boolean, true or false. Is happy equal true. This is the Boolean data type. To show the type of data, we use the statement print type. Example, print type for example, subscribers. Now let's run the code. Okay, nice. It is the integer type. Now you know what variables are and how to use basic data types in Python. In the next video, we will learn more about the print statement. So the code talks to us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. See you in the next one on Byte by Adam.